solve the natural logarithm.
So now we're solving natural logarithmic equations. They want to know what the solution to this problem is.
The natural logarithm of x minus 3 squared equals 4. The natural logarithm of x minus 3 squared equals 4. Now remember my formulas, if you want to call them that. If I were to take the inverse of this, what would it be? So I'm going to take this and put it in exponential form. Okay, I'm going to find the inverse of it. So I'm going to write my e right there, because if there's nothing there, I'm going to know there's going to be an e right there. So when I put it in exponential form, what am I going to end up with? E raised to the what? 4. This right here would be x. This would be my y. Okay? This whole thing is x, 4 is y. So it'd be e raised to the 4 equal x minus 3 squared. Now my goal when I'm solving any kind of equation is to solve for whatever variable there is. Well, my variable here is x. So I want to solve for x. But I can't touch that x right now because it's in parentheses and that together is squared. So I need to get rid of that square so I can touch that x. How do I get rid of that square? Square root both sides. What you do to one side, you have to do to the other. So this square cancels that square root out, correct? So on the right-hand side, now all I have is x minus 3. What am I missing on the left-hand side? Who said that? What is it? Anytime I take the square root, what do I put in front of it? Plus or minus. So this right here is going to be plus or minus e squared, because what's the square root of 4? 2. So it's plus or minus e squared. I still don't have x by itself. What do I do? So I'm going to add 3 to both sides. So this side over here now becomes 3 plus or minus e squared equals x. So when I go to my calculator to find out what x equals, I'm going to have 2 answers. I'm going to have 3 plus e squared, and I'm going to have 3 minus e squared. So let's do plus e squared first. 3 plus e squared. Somebody tell me. So let's do it 10.39. Okay, what about 3 minus e squared? Now make sure you put your number in before you put your e in, okay? So if it was 6 right here, it would be 6 plus e squared. Okay, you have to put that number in before you put the e in. Because if you do it the other way, you're not going to get the right answer. You need to make sure you can put this in your calculator now and get the right answers, okay? So when I take this and write it in exponential form, how's it going to be written? E squared equals x. And what's e squared? That's my answer. What about this one? The natural logarithm of 3x plus 5 squared equals 4. The natural logarithm of 3x plus 5 squared equals 4. Y'all try this one. So what do I do first? change it into exponential form. So what's my exponential form going to look like? Anytime I'm solving an exponential equation, or anytime I'm solving a natural logarithmic equation, natural logarithmic equation, anytime I'm solving it, what's the first thing I do? Put it into exponential form. Okay, so I can't touch this x because of the square, so what am I going to do? Square root both sides. This square cancels the square root out. And I've got 3x plus 5 on the right side. What happens on the left side? Plus or minus e squared. So what do I do with the 5? So now I have negative 5 plus or minus e squared equals 3x. Is x by itself yet? So what am I going to do? Divide by 3. So I get negative 5 plus or minus e squared divided by 3 equals x. So I need to know what negative 5 plus e squared divided by 3 is. And then I need to know what negative 5 minus e squared divided by 3 is. So what's the plus one give me? So 0.80 on the top one. And what does the minus one give me?